So today's episode, for the most part, was our adventures in the snow. It was our first time really being in the snow. Girl, did you just fart? Did you fart? That's gross. Yeah, we out here, first snow of the year. She's, you gonna throw it at me? Oh, snap. Do that pretty good. So first snow of the year, she's pretty excited, to say the least. Yo, it's a beanbag, chill. She's pretty excited, to say the least. Throw it at. Yeah. Oh, you tried to throw it at me? You throwing snowballs?
Daddy,
look, there it is right here. Look at this. See? Look. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna throw it at you. There it is. Get it. Throw it at Daddy. Oh! You throw it pretty good. How you doing? Oh. I throw it at Dre. Oh, run. Hit you on the foot. But yeah, so she's pretty excited. Last year she was, she's 2 now, so she knows what's going on. It didn't really snow that much. So that's like the first time she actually got to see it. She knows what's happening. Right, Dre? Are you having fun? Say hi. Say what's up.
Hi, with the snow.
Oh, you got the snow? Wow. Say what's up. Is it fun? Show them the snow.
Whoa, let's see. Ah.
Whoa. It's cool snow.
Look.
Wow.
Whoa,
Yeah, so first snow of the year. It just started getting cold, so she actually don't even have no gloves. She got 2 socks on her hand. I'm not sitting in that. There's snow in there. Yeah, so she got 2 socks in her hand. Like I said, it's the first winter, so don't mind my parenting skills. I figure tell me the difference between a sock and a mitten. It might be a little bit thicker, but for the most part, we ain't gonna be out here that long. Right? Show them your gloves. Show them your gloves. Ooh, Daddy got you socks. You know what I mean? When in doubt, create. She's enjoying the snow. Say what's up. Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them what you got. What you doing? Tell them about the snow.
Gloves.
Huh? Your gloves? Your gloves keep your hands warm. But you need them on because your hands you're gonna get cold if you take them off. So you gotta keep the gloves on. You know? Show them the snow. Where's the snow? Yeah, oh yeah, there's snow. And over there too. That's good. Come on, let's go find some kids. We can play with some kids? All right, let's go.
A few moments later.
Playing in the snow, what do we find? Possum. They usually never want to be this close to people. Give them some room. Rescue the possum, right? We're gonna save him. We're gonna save him? What we're gonna do, we're gonna get a box for him and put him in this box. Because he's freezing. He's cold, right? He's freezing. Shake. Feel for him, man. Sorry, we got this little box here. So we got a box. Trying to get him to go in the box. But he's playing dead. But he can't go in the box. Go in. Go in the box. Don't play dead, just go in the box. Let's do it. Just go inside. Go. Go in the box. I know you're not dead. Go in the box. Let's go, man. Let's try. All right. We'll give you some room. Definitely wasn't the plan, but yeah, we found a possum. Of all things. So we gave him a box. He's afraid to go in. Hopefully he goes in. We'll give you an update if we So we went outside in the snow, right? And what did we find? We found a possum. Animal control came, collected the possum, which is pretty good.
Run.
What? Run what?
Run.
Show me your babies. Where your babies at? Let me see your babies. Let's see that baby. Whoa, that's a cool baby. What about another one? You got another one? Oh, wait. Okay. Let's show this
Run,
one.
run, run.
And what about another one?
Run, no, run.
All right, but listen, let me finish telling them what happened. So today's episode, for the most part, was our adventures in the snow. She seemed to like it a lot. She definitely liked being in the snow. It was her first time really being in the snow, right? Girl, did you just fart? Did you fart? That's gross. Playing the booty trumpet.
I don't want peace.
Yeah, we'll run with the dog. I'll run with them. Okay, run. I don't know why you like to run. You can run. Oh. Wait. Why do you do this? So if they run, you attack them? Anyway, we had a good time out in the snow today.
Run.
Yeah, in 1 minute we'll run.
Run.
We had a good time. So, like I said, her first time, she enjoyed it for the most part. Huh? I know. Well, we're gonna try to go to sleep. We'll try to go to sleep this time. You fart again? Did you fart again? Why do you keep farting? Yeah. I don't know why she's farting so much, but yeah. Sure. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna play with her. Alright, we'll put on the tab. Yeah, so we're done. See us for the next episode. If you like, share, subscribe. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, say peace.
Peace. Peace. Bye.
Say like.
Right.
And subscribe.
Right.
Yeah. Alright, peace.